Hello guys, so guess what? We're one away from our 250 subscribers, so if you want to be the 250 subscribers, subscribe.
Yeah, and it's July 31st, and today we're going to attempt our first chainsaw carving of a demogorgon.
Not a demogorgon, no, Daddy!
I knew you'd like that.
We're doing a bear, guys, so we're only doing the head of the bear today.
We've been watching Stranger Things the past few weeks, and they cut into some Metallica today on the last show of it.
Oh my God, Daddy!
It was awesome.
Daddy White.
All right, so I've got to first start. This is the tree that my father, Leo's grandfather, cut down for us the other year. We've got that on video as well if you want to go back and look at it. But we had a really large pine tree down here by the little barn that we built. And it looked like there was a large rotten section right here that ran up about as tall as me. And so I was concerned that someday that tree could fall down and just crush whatever barn that we build over here. And I didn't want it left here. So we cut this thing down. Today I'm going to pick a junk at the base of it, maybe 8 feet tall, and we're going to try to carve ourselves a really large bear for down here in the woods.
That's loud, sorry guys.
He's so big the barn doesn't go through it all the way.
My dad wanted a bunch of little animals around the property. How big is this head gonna be? I recommend you turning the volume down.
Okay, buddy. We got our chainsaw jammed in this big friggin' piece.
What? It's stuck?
Okay, so with a little bit of help from Leo holding the chainsaw and the crowbar, I was able to get this freed up.
Oh my God, these horseflies are everywhere, so pretty annoying.
Oh! I don't think we can move that sucker. I might have to cut this down a little bit. This is going to be way too heavy.
All right, Red Sock Man.
Hmm?
All right, Red Sock Man, TM.
Yeah. I
Trademark.
buy all my clothes secondhand, and they come a lot of times from Boston down that way. I've never watched a baseball game in my life. Don't ever intend to. This stuff's so damn boring.
This guy is a big kid. He wears an Angry Bird shirt sometimes. He wears an Angry Bird shirt, literally.
I've never watched Angry Birds either.
Yeah, but he wears it. Oh my God, the chainsaw looks like it's been too. The demogorgon eating it. Hello,
We
loco.
have to carve it over here. I think so. I don't think that's gonna move.
Oh, my dad down there.
Oh God. How am I gonna stand that thing up? Okay. There's no way I'm flipping this by myself either, I don't think. I'll try to get one of these pieces up. Okay. My father used to get me to do this kind of work with him when he was moving heavy rocks and stuff. And I'd be the guy to try to put the block in underneath it as he was hoisting stuff up. So here we go, Leo, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh God, I can't.
Can you get it flat under there, buddy?
No, I can't because that's right, that corner right there.
All right, well, let's move the block over.
Whoa, it's going
It's okay.
like that. I'm scared I'm gonna die. Oh, Did we get it?
Yeah, we got it on
Got
one
it.
block. But now we got to get it up higher again.
Right there. Go. There, I got it.
Excellent, okay?
All right, we're getting it, guys.
Okay.
Guys, it's on. This is about to be insane.
Okay, next stage. Ready, go. Push hard, push hard. Keep going. Get it in there.
There.
Try to lighten the load a little bit. I'm going to make my first 2 cuts, and I'm going to carve a wedge shape into the front of this. And then if I can, I'm going to take a cut on an angle on the back over here.
Loco,
I'll
stop.
at least take a couple pounds of weight off of the thing. Okay, you can see roughly what we're going to carve. We're going to take a wedge shape here, and then we're going to saw the back off that way there. Number 1.
What's happening?
Okay, hear me. Cut number 3. We're going to come straight down here for the front of the nose. Square this off.
It's a bear.
This could be a fail. We'll see. Next chop, we're going to come here and we're going to slice this out at an angle for the back of his head. Next, we're going to take a slice in here to carve out the ears. Takes out underneath the nose and come down for like the neck. Try to slice out his cheek a little bit to define that some.
Right, so you're slicing out the cheek. From here, it looks like a bear. Kinda looks like a bear. The calf looks like a bear, kind of. So, let's go see this head. Let's go see this. Here. Let's see. This is a head. There's a bunch of wood chips or whatever the thing's on it.
Okay. So now you can kind of see the shape of the head taking form.
Yeah. That's what we've been working on.
I think that's going to end part 1 of this video because we probably need to sharpen the chainsaw after all those cuts.
Guys, by the way, if you didn't hear me, we're going to be doing this standing up bear. We're not going to be doing it down.
Yeah, we've got to get it stood up. And this thing's going to be about 7 feet tall and it weighs a lot.
We said 8 feet.
Well, I don't know. Looking at it, I'd say we've got about 7. But anyways, it's going to be a big bear when it's done.
That's almost as tall as a demogorgon.
We'll do a demogorgon next.
No, wait.
On part 2 of our video.
Eddie, our reaction.
I'd love to. All right, cheers everybody. Thanks for watching. And again, we would love to have subscriber number 250. So help us out, and thanks for liking and watching the videos.
We're at 249 right now.
Yeah, cheers.